Good morning and welcome to our practice. Modern life, it is comfortable, but that comfort makes us weak. Gives us four sources of weakness. Weakness in the body, weakness in our energy, our chi, weakness in our nervous system mastery, and weakness in our focus and attention. In this movement practice, I want to offer some ideas and practices to help you strengthen your mind and your body and your focus. So let's begin. Meeting, feet together, hands by the sides, taking a breath here, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left, a bow, acknowledging you for showing up for your practice. Breathing in, left hand picks up the left leg, Qigong standing. So let's just spend a minute or two here, imagining there's a piece of string attached to the heavens. Feel a lengthening of your spine. Grounded, rooted to the earth, soft bend in the knees. The bum is tucked, so not having the bum out, the bum is tucked. Two tiger mouths coming together. Just below the belly button at the dantian. And let's take 6 balanced breaths together here. Breathing in for 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in, softening the face, the forehead, the eyes, the cheeks, and the jaw. Breathing out, tongue resting lightly on the roof of the mouth. Breathing in, down into the belly, feeling the breath sink deep down into you. Breathing out, arriving, allowing the mind to still. Breathing in, softening. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Last one, breathing in. Breathing out. Beautiful. Allowing the arms to float down by the sides. And ragdoll, arms are floppy. Beautiful. So all of these moves are moving meditations, noticing if you are in your mind right now, come into your body. Give your mind a break. We're going to be strengthening the body and mind through focus. Soft, kind focus. Shoulder rolls, whole body shoulder rolls. Great, we're going to be raising our energy, strengthening our legs. Changing direction. Beautiful, shaking the head. Yes. And no. Beautiful, lowering the body. And here's a really nice opener for the legs. So bringing your weight forward onto the leg, and opening. Now this might be a bit more advanced for some of you, so you could be here, just twisting out. Seeing if you can sink that leg down, get a nice stretch into it. So already we've moved with our breath, we've softened our face, we are beginning to build our energy through that. We're now strengthening our body, we're developing nervous system mastery, and again noticing, is your mind somewhere else right now? And with zero judgment, minds think, that's what they do, but just notice and come back. So we're already developing this ability to build our energy and return our strength. Beautiful. Another couple here. Beautiful. And coming up. Great. So standing, cactusing the arms. And then we're going to, with a generous bend in the knees, fold. And then palms to the sky. Raising up, opening. Generous bend in the knees, fold, palms to the sky. Raising up, opening. Fold, palms to the sky. Breathing in, raising up. Breathing out with a sigh. Breathing in, fold. Breathing out. Beautiful. Mabu, whole stance. Staying here, sinking, making sure your knees aren't collapsing in, sending the knees out. The feet either straight forward or slightly out, not more than 45 degrees. Beautiful. The bum is tucked. Arms can support as a counterweight. Great, then we're going to go into Gong, which is lunging step. So the way we get into Gong is we push that back heel back. And here we're going to open up. Lovely hip stretch here. Making sure this knee isn't collapsing in. Pushing the knee out, and actually this foot can be hooked, so we don't need to have our foot out straight. Okay, great. To get back into horse stance, we bring that heel back. Now we are 50-50 with our weight again, and now we're going to drive this back heel back, 70% of the weight in the front foot, 30% of the back, making sure this back leg is straight. This knee pushing out. And we're trying to square off the body, but no worries if you're not fully doing it. Okay, great. Back to marble. Other side. Pushing that back heel out. Coming into lunging step on the other side. Go back into horse stance. Bringing the back heel in. Bringing now this heel out. Great, last one. Finding your breath, slowing your breath down. Okay, beautiful, well done. Shake, shake, shake. Leg swings. The hinges of a door only become rusty when you don't move the door. If you move the door, they don't corrode. Same thing with our bodies. If you move it, then there's no problem. Why does the tongue have no problems? Because it's moving the whole time. Changing direction, changing foot. So this is the key to being strong. It's not just choosing comfort, it's choosing how to challenge yourself in your mind, in your body, and then you become stronger, then life becomes easier. Okay, beautiful, well done. Blade kicks. Like for example, it's beginning to rain. Are we going to stop? No. Great, changing sides. Okay, amazing. Stretch, back foot. Checking in with the face, softening the face. Both hands on the foot if you can. You're driving the front hip forward and pulling that leg against you. So checking in with the face, softening the face, breathing down into the belly. Great, changing sides. Well done. Easy, easy. Okay, I want to show you this. This is one of my favorite moves. This is a real leg strengthener. So, kicking the foot out if you're here, that's okay. Kicking the foot out. And then keeping the hips forward, kicking the foot out. Then opening up the hips like that. Then kicking backwards. Then touching the toe on the far side. And then driving with the glute all the way up to the front, changing foot. Great, so that is one cycle. Front, open, side, kick, back, side touch, drive, back. So in that one move, really developing strong hip flexors, coordination, kicking ability, balance, strength, all in one move. And actually this move is more effective if we spend a bit of time in each posture. That's where you get the real control. And the crucial driving up at the end. Well done. Okay, one more round each side. Keep pushing. Strong mind, strong body, strong energy, strong nervous system. This is what we are building together. Last one. Beautiful landing. Qigong standing. Arriving with your breath, softening the face, breathing down into the belly. Spending a minute here. Showing one breath together, breathing in, holding 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, breathing out. Beautiful left hand, picking up the left leg. Tai Chi salute, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left. Well done, let me know if you're feeling stronger from that practice. And if you want to understand the whole system behind the movement that we just did, Master Gu and I, we recorded a completely free course, Ancient Taoist Secrets for Daily Balance. If you go to findbalance.now, I think you'll love it. It will make all of the practice that you do here make so much more sense. And if you want to continue here, there's a video for you to keep your practice going. Balance is possible for you, for me, for humanity.